Hello guys! Good afternoon! So, kamusta po kayong lahat? Sa mga subscriber dyan, salamat po sa inyong lahat. Nag-grow na po yung channel natin. So, kamusta po kayo? Nag-edit po ako. Nag-edit ako ng ginawa namin kahapon. Sana panoorin nyo hanggang dulo to. Ano na hapon na guys? 3:40 na dito ng hapon. Parang nagiging cross-eye na rin ako, no? Ito siguro yung tamang anggulo. Ayaw nga pala guys, ano kami kanina, 'di ba, nag-harvest sila ng cherry, tapos tinanggal namin yung buto, yun, ginawa nilang cherry jam. Anuhin namin mamaya, ilalagay namin mamaya sa garapon. Ang dami pang cherry na i-harvest. Mag-edit lang ako, guys. Tuesday pala ngayon, kaya 5 o'clock uuwi si Vlad. Yeah. Mag-edit lang ako. Dito na si Vlad. Ciao!
You be there.
Da?
Just arrived.
Ha?
Just arrived.
Yes, I can see that. Come here na. Bulika is here. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. How are you?
I'm good. Bunika is here. Bunika?
We can hear?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Come here na.
So I think I'm the driver.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. Come here. She's still here. She missed you. That's why.
I know, love. I'm
Da.
going
Hey.
to see Monica.
Yes. Come here na.
Best move. Ay, chopus. Love, don't ever let the chicken get close because they put poison. There is poison here and there. They put poison from the rock. So don't let the chicken there enter it, okay?
Bina.
Poisonous, I know.
Palit doon tayo ng tubig. Politics. This is Bunica's well.
It's an old ancient well.
Yes. How many years?
I think has a century.
Century?
The
Old
Very
well nila yan, guys. Guys, oh, itlog din ng manok ni Bunica. Ito yung grapes ng Bunica.
grapes in the making.
What type of grapes is this?
It's
The white one?
no red.
Red?
This is white are there. That
Uh-huh.
are red. They are
That
white
one?
and up there are all red.
Ah, okay.
You're gonna.
Okay.
Моля бага ишко се грамадите да харалти.
Oh.
Sleepy, sleepy.
No. May dala-dala kaming may iuwi kaming mga bote para paglagyan ng mga cherry jam. Kasi gumawa sila ng cherry jam kanina. Siguro kulang yung doon, yung bote. Kaya binigyan kami ni Bunica. I think she cannot see us.
She sing us.
Punta din pala kami sa Aka Junior ay dito sa Mundrulok kasi i-recycle namin yung mga plastic. Isn't it? Yes. I-recycle namin. Marami-rami yun. Binigyan dun kami ni Bunica ng recycled bottle. Let's go.
Oh my god, look already.
We
drink water from
So, ito yung mga i-recycle namin. Dumiretso na pala kami dito sa SA Vladimir Escuarad. Ay, ano daw? Dito na kami sa junior tumuloy.
Let's collect
Da.
them. So,
Let's do it together so that it's... So, nakadalawang ano kami guys. Yung isa 18. Ang init dito guys, sobra.
Just
How
29
many?
lei.
29 lei.
And there are 50 bottles, but just 29.
Okay. Pasok kami sa loob ng store kasi bibili kami. Let's go. Ibibili namin yung na-recycle namin. It's so hot. Sobrang init doon.
No. Half liter soda.
Right.
From Profi also.
Uwi na kami guys. Galing kaming Profi. Kasi bumili kami ng soft drinks at saka ano yung binili natin? At saka chocolate. Yes guys. So see you there. Oh, this one.
That one, please.
Lasagna para sa kanya at para sa akin. Nagpakulo ako ng itlog guys.
Dobry.
Che.
La la la.
Stop that. I'm recording.
La 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 la. Che?
Che?
Ce faci? Domnișoară,
Che?
ce faci?
I'm recording.
You cut the food. Doamne, ce retardat.
Ay, so lagyan natin ng asin. Ito asin to. Nag-diet pa tayo. Guys, mauna na atang, are you going to eat na? Lasagna guys. Ayun naman yung akin, no, naka-ready. Go eat na, you start to eat na. Pinapakuluan ko pa yung egg.
Star Wars.
Boiled egg.
What are the Star Wars characters? I know all of them.
Da?
No.
Yeah. Go eat na.
Ribs.
That is Vita.
Da, beef.
Bine. Eat well.
Include
Ito yung pagkain ko guys with this. Salata. Ay ka-ukray. With tinapay. Kain tayo guys. Dinner time.
They are washed together.
Da, they are washed. Strawberry. Good evening guys. So may strawberry kami dito. Tapos medyo maasim kasi. Tinatawanan nila ako kasi dinidip ko siya sa asin. Sabi masarap kaya.
Un po' siamo in scusare, da.
Da, with salt.
Un soda. Io